Large streams and varieties of waste make their way all over the world. This is because waste is almost always treated in a different place than where it is produced. EU rules for cross-border waste shipments are defined in the Waste Shipment Regulation, or WSR. The WSR protects the environment against the risks of waste transportation. For WSR to apply, it must be decided whether it's actually waste that is being transported or something else, for example, second-hand goods. If it is waste, 3 questions can be asked to find out which WSR rules apply. Is the waste hazardous, or is it relatively harmless? Is it shipped for final disposal, or for a recovery operation? And if it leaves the EU, is it going to an OECD or non-OECD country? The WSR is especially important for shipments between EU member states and exports from the EU. Waste shipments are allowed between EU member states if either of 2 conditions is met. For some shipments, prior written consent is needed from the competent authorities. Others need to be accompanied by specific information, called Annex 7 information. Exports from the EU will also need either prior written consent or Annex 7 information. Some exports of waste from the EU, however, are prohibited. For example, exporting hazardous waste to a non-OECD country is not allowed. Any waste shipment that violates the WSR is illegal, and EU law requires that member states make illegal shipments a criminal offence. EU law also requires sanctions for illegal shipments to be effective, proportionate, and dissuasive. So criminal law is vital in enforcing the WSR.